omugusi.
Wirire biya mwanchu murigeria bwegeta sene Kyandizi TV nechinga kichindengo kwarigania twemanya mangana magia senchera yo wenge unabeire ka wateka chitariki ne 20 umutinyi no yokane umwaka bwechirwibere ne 2024 nanigo charagire chinsa isano naibere eretariane Dorcas Kemoma nanigo togo chikubwatrana nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya asenchera yemanyerio nere Felistas Kabendi kwanike ngamari ogene chibicha awoikeira senchera yo kirano okonyori anabogo tobwatia wetera senchera ye mitandao asensemo ya Facebook okotonyora buna Ndizi TV News Digital ensemo ya YouTube notore buna Ndizi TV News nabayigo ase website yeto notore buna www.ndizitv.net. Mwachumurigeria ama yaituni tokunya chaka na kurwa ase ensemo yo mubasokano bwendege oyoba gokoba asiri tuko lya Aramisi na koira amagima ya aba machuni 10 abo bono bagendete kurerwa ase chinsemo imeyenseto ya Kenya asiri tuko lya rero nigo moyega bwa masikani amo na masabo ya abakure nigo bono chukwa gose ariganirwa ari tuko lya rero ase getikia Ulinzi Stars ekyoge toka ase ebunge ya Lang'ata ase county ya Nairobi ase bona omorai wense Dr. William Ruto amachoni amona baraibande abawaziri barachikuika ase getiekyo eryokorwa amasikani abo yo moerio una ere ase korengana na amachoni gose ama korengana una ere asensemo ya soldiers ase ritukoria rero nigo munyagosira nere CDF Francis General Ogola oyorenge egati ya baria baba bagosiria amagimabo arachikwegwa amaskani ya yo moerio nabaigonyore ni garenge omonene bwa bachoni ase ensengima yeto ya Kenya ase bona bakagosiria mubasukana ya ase mubasukana ase ensemo gose county ya Elgeyo Marakwet chingaki barenge ase emeremo yabo yo kwenekinga batingirie oborendi ase orogongoru rwa ensemeyo ya Marakwet morai wense ni garachikora egekosi ekyabana jeshi ase bano barachikomwa amasikani abagati yabo nechi ebunduki goche gani salute echo 19 amono gokira kwedageka eyemo unenchire yemo yokorwa amasikani ase oyomo obwa amachoni akero asirere nabayigo nigo barachikorangire bose barachikorangiri register ya amachoni ase bono bakurukanga Minister of Information ase Kenyamolero korengana na ensemeria ya amachoni nabo igo nigo abarai gose abasomi bakorwa ase ensemo ya soldiers barachi guikirana ase omoyegoyo kwa maskani ase getiekyo kya Ulinzi Stars. Togotigara ase ensemeyo ya makweri ya banajeshi benseto ya Kenya nigo komiti bono ya rosigwe bene ywera chikora ase obotuki umbasokano bwendege oyo irerete ogokwa kwa banajeshi 10 ase omonene bwa banajeshi ase enseto ya Kenya General CDF Francis Ogora aringe egati yabo komiti yo nigo bono ya riganiwe nabo igo ase bono ya berege ase korariwa ase gazeti ya serikali bene ase rachigo chaka emirimo yabo rituko lya rero. Komite yo nigo ebwate abanya komite abono barachikora ase obotuki obona baigo oyo batenenete ase komite yo nere Captain Peter Maranga na baigo omokonyo ye engineer Agri Peter Colonel nebo Port ase abaigo ababunge balenere bale ase komite yo ngamona nere Captain Nduati Hamani Njama, Colonel Mike Murwa, Fantas Kamau, Captain Valentine Wendo na Captain Martin Lunani ase omorikyobo arachi kobanere Captain Brenda Wangu konengana no waziri wensemo yobosombi Kipchumba Murkomen ni gobono arule egeka kemetinye tato rinde banyale gukora obotuki obwo kona kumanya kirete omubasokano y'obwendege okorekana asense meyo ya Elgeyo Marakwet. Nechingaki abarai amo n'abakenya bagendrete kwa engora chiamate chiri chiabachigosiria abanajeshi korwa ase mubasokano yoba goko korekana ase rituko ria aramisi morai wense Dr. William Ruto amo n'abarai bechikanisa nigo rituko rigoro babete bagoika ange amate ya nero monene bwa abanajeshi CDF General Francis Ogora ase enkayabo mucho Nairobi asibono babete bagosanga amo amasabo naboigo ko barerisia chingakechi chabokongo chingakecho nigo Ruto bono abete gakoika gosega kugania abakenya bonsi gochamo erinde tonyale kwenana omoyo gosekwa echiamate chiri chabere chigosererwa nabamwabo omoyo.
His leadership, the fact that he could reach out to all actors, the synergy he had built with the police, with the NIS, and with all the other arms was just on a different level. The fact that over the last 1.5 years, we've had very minimal terrorist incidences in the country. It's because General Ogola was smart. He knew what to do. He provided leadership. Late into the night, he would call to brief and to get clearance. I must say I had a wonderful team at Defense Headquarters, from the minister to all the actors, and General Ogola was at the center of it. This is a big loss to the country. Because General Ogola made a whole difference in the security of the country. Of course, it's a big loss to the military.
Chinga kichuboigo ni go Ruto atebira mna okono gwako konene goika ocha asenseto ya Kenya anene chinga kiense ya Kenya agendete korwania ogose korwania basagani ababeire bakuboria omorembe ase orgongo gose chinsemo ao ime yense asebono amoreire nere Francis Ogora oyorenge nere monene bwa anajeshi asamoreire bunani garinge omonto orenge gwetuma naboigo gokora emirimo yaye ebuya.
Professional. It's a big lesson. And of course, the commitment he had for the security of our nation. General Ogolla went to dangerous places. He was in Mogadishu often. He was in Boni many times. He was in many would-be dangerous places. But always he told me, it is the only assurance I can give to our soldiers that what they are doing, even me as their leader, appreciate and identify with them. Mama Eileen and your children, I want you to know that your husband, the father of your children, was a great Kenyan, a professional soldier, a military officer who made a difference in our republic. And in his death, we have lost a man who I believe would have transformed our military. The transformation was already evident. And so I have lost a friend. I have lost an ally. Poleni sana Mama Eileen and your children.
Tugutigana nayo mwancho moriria na gusika motweni go morugi bo mokonye bo morai bwense Dorcas Gachagua bonaganirie abasubati ababoraka kwaegwa obwene bwabo asikiria terina nigo babeire bagocherano nabo igo bakunirirwa anene ase chinka cyabo chingaki abagaka babo babeire bagusira nigo bono aganire babe bakwaegwa ribagari tangani anene ase chinsemo cyo bokorari bwebigambiro asikiria tebire nanigo ebigambiro bya bikwira chingaki chinyinge joko ene kinga ababorakabo babeire bakonyora obwene bwabo.
I call for fast tracking of cases affecting widows. It is painful for a widow not only to lose a husband, but also to end up following up cases in court for their rightful inheritance. Their children suffer, and the widow also suffers a great deal. We have seen cases of widows who have waited for 35 years, a generation. They died, their children died, and the cases are still going on.
But shida kubwa hasa ni urithi wa shamba na mali. Mara nyingi hawa wajane wananyang'anywa mashamba yao. Mashemeji, familia wanawanyang'anya mashamba, si ndio? Na sisi tunataka kusema kwamba mzee akiondoka haondoki na shamba. Mzee akiondoka haondoki na watoto, si ndio? Anaenda peke yake. So lazima upewe shamba yako, uachiwe shamba, ulime, ulee watoto. Si ndio kina mama? So Your Excellency, the challenge we have mostly is inheritance of the land, property and wife inheritance. So hawa kina mama mara nyingi wanadhulumiwa. Na ndio maana
mwancho mole tugotigana nayo na kuira na ase ensemo ya makwiri ya banajeshi nigo abo igoro onere Brigadier Swale Said oyorenge oyomobwa banajeshi abo babete bagosiria amagimabo ase mubasukano bwendege nigo bona betega kwenigwa abo igoro kolengana nedini yege Islamu nigo abarai borogongo rwa coast babete bagwikirana ase omoyogo yobwa matanga ase bono onere omowaziri ogenda anere Aisha Jumwa abetega wikirana nabo igukugania abakenya kubwatirana amono morai bwense eriokorera nawo igo kuikange chamate cy'abanajeshi abo
peponi. Hatujui ataenda peponi kwa sababu hiyo ni amri ya Mwenyezi Mungu, na sisi pia
hadi mauti alipomfikia ni familia ya jeshi letu la Kenya. Kwa hivyo mimi nataka niungane na Mheshimiwa Rais, na sisi wote tuungane na Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri yetu ya Kenya kuwaomboleza mashujaa.
Jina kama mlivyoelezwa, naitwa Lieutenant General Munyikai, na mimi ni Commandant National Defense College. Nimekuja hapa kuweza kuwakilisha Kenya Defence Forces Fraternity, na tulikuwa pia tuje na waziri ya Kenya Defence Forces. Na wadhi umetolewa hapa, najua kwa muda mrefu, kwa hiyo hakuna haja ya kurudia, ila sisi jukumu letu ni kuweza kuiombea roho ya marehemu, kumwombea marehemu aweze kuwekwa mahali pema peponi penye.
Tugutigana na yue na Oscar Mutwenigo bono serikali yachakirie omoroberio bwo kubarika amakurutu abo bagochia goso ase kiombe ky'abanyanyimbo ba machoni gose amachoni aba amanani abono barachi korinda emenyamamo yogoyonigo ochagetiwe ase county ya Taita Taveta ase bono abasabe benyorete ribaga na koerikia ase bari banyorete bogoikerania amaganio ariaganeirie korengana na machiko arese kiombe gyo kubarika amakurutu asensemeyo ya machoni igose ya banyanyimbo ba amanani.
Ile short unatapata hapa. Usingoje mkutano kwa line 27. Kama unajua ID nani yako na photocopy ya KCSE?
The process was free and fair, very transparent. There were few technical challenges here and there. We checked on every document. Hizo processes zote tumezingatia na tulihakikisha ya kwamba kwa sababu Taita Taveta tulipatiwa slots zao, kila sub county ilihusishwa na kila ward within kila sub county tulihakikisha tumeenda mpaka mashinani, na hayo ilikuwa sababu ya kwamba hotspot, this county ni hotspot in terms of human wildlife conflict, and atungeweza kuacha hata sehemu moja ya hii county kuwa haijawakilishwa. So na kwa vile pia mtukufu rais wetu aliweza kuelekeza ya kwamba kwa hii recruitment tunaangalia maneno ya watu ya NYS, na tulihakikisha ya kwamba NYS imepatiwa priority by virtue that they are also Kenyans, they have gone through various training.
Mwanjo murigereria robotoru wokubarika makurutu ba banyanyimbo ba KWS bwa bari ase enseme jo korinda amanani nemenyama nabo naruro gutwekerio mwero rwa mangana maya senjera yobwenge yenda kurigita sene kyandize TV ebweseme bwe manye nabo igo obukwego kya asenjera yobwikirano erietaria ne Dorcas Kimuma nanigo twabwaterana nere Lydia Mose oyore gukumanya wetera asenjera yimanye nere Felistas Kabedi oneke ngamarugene chibicha awikire asenjera yobwikirano tobasokagenda tambe omoroberio obwa rumba nostalgia nere papasiko the bad kugocherora asore asegeka kere egeke tobasoska nero Ndizi TV obwansu womongosi.